Hi everyone, Kelvin here. Today we're going to check out this newly handovered project in Bangsar, located right on Lorong Maruf. Alright, so it's more of the quieter road and more smoother road actually, compared to Jalan Maruf the other side. Because here I don't think there's any traffic lights where you can drive all the way straight, right? Alright, drive all the way straight, you can actually head out to Bangsar Shopping Centre, BSC itself. And this is the development right in front of us. Alright, here. What's happening here? So Verdura is over there. That's the one that we're going to check out soon. And this is the other phase, which is Talisa and everything, which is ongoing at the moment. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we are at the lobby of Verdura Tower. So the first thing that you notice is, wow, check out the featured wall. Alright, this looks like the Mosey Forest in Cameron Highlands. Don't play, yeah? But it's not real, but it looks very, very nice. And of course, you have your double volume ceiling, right? And some plants as well. Very cozy, very warm, and very welcoming. Alright, so let's go and check out the facilities. Yeah. Okay, so now we are level 6, the facilities floor. Wow, so this is the games room. There's some football, pool table, nice double volume ceiling. And wow, okay.
That's pickles.
So you have a pickleball court here as well. I'm not sure where's the switch, so it's a bit dark. Let's head out back. So we have pickleball court, we have the games room. Let's see what else is in store in Bangsar Hill Park, Verdura. You have a nice little playground as well at the front with some hammocks. Alright, they call it the forest area. And a basketball court. Nice. So right in front of me, there will be the swimming pool. It's a kids pool. And right next to the kids pool is your children's area. Wow. So after having fun and everything, boom, right jumping in the pool. You have your gymnasium, yoga, sauna, steam room, badminton court, kids world, surround, games room, swimming pool, spa, kids pool as well. Very nice and cozy. So before you go for your workouts, right, you can store your stuff at a locker downstairs. Wow, not bad. You have your bicycle here. You have your bicycles, ski machine, rowing machine here. Plenty of treadmills here as well. Your lat pull downs, the extension. That's your chest press actually. You even have a Smith machine as well. Over here will be open space. Comes with large mirrors. Impressive. Very well equipped. You have everything that you need to have a good workout here. So before I forget, one more thing is that when you come into this site, right, you have your female sauna and steam. And this is your male sauna and steam room. But level 6 is not too bad actually. It's not as hot as a sky roof or anything, which I'll show you later. Still very windy. And the kids' room is right in front of me. Wow. My kids is going to have a ball of a time here. That completes the tour for level 6 facilities. Let's go and check out. I think the next one will be very exciting, which is the rooftop facilities, where you can have unobstructed views of KL city centre and Bangsar, the surroundings. Let's go. Okay, so here comes the rooftop facilities here. So behind me, of course, is the whirlpool, where you have 3 jacuzzis. In front, it's the viewing deck where you can see, wow, the 4 iconic towers. Not bad, right? Yeah. So now it's handover time, and the plants are all fully grown with nice palm trees. It's a bit of resort feeling here. So coming here right in the morning or in the evening will be the best time. Not at 2 p.m. in the afternoon because it's pretty hot. You have some nice cozy sitting area here as well. You have some guys doing some work there. And right at the bottom, of course, is the Bangsar houses. So one thing unique about Bangsar is, of course, a lot of low rises, a double-story terrace house bungalow. So when you build a high-story condo like this, you got a lot of unobstructed views at the top. Okay, welcome. This is 1435 square feet, 3+1 bedroom. So when you come in, right, the first thing on your right-hand side, this will be your +1 bedroom. And on your left-hand side, this is your room number 3. Comes with an ensuite bathroom as well. All right, with your WC, rain shower, everything all there. Comes with an aircon. And a nice window as well. Right? Brings in some light. And this will be your shared toilet here for you and your guests. So when you come to the living area, this is your kitchen. With your nice kitchen countertop. Of course, fridge is not provided. You have your kitchen cabinets, hood and hob, oven. And of course, here is where you do your washing and everything. You can put your washing machine. The washing machine is also provided by Electrolux. Good stuff. Wow, check out the view, guys. So the thing that I like is that the wide open space, of course, it's just 1,004 square feet, but the wide open space where from the countertop, right, there is a flow, seamlessly integrated with your dining area here. And this is where you have your living area, like where you can put your nice sofa and your TV, everything all here. And yep, nice view. You can see the KL Tower, Twin Tower, PMB 118. Very good. And that is Satya Federal Hill. As you can see, the MRT station there is just nearby. It's almost around 400 meters to the MRT station by walking. Okay, a good benefit for expats who are staying here. Okay, so floor to ceiling is 3 meters. You have good switches as well by Legrand. That's a good quality stuff. Okay, it comes with a nice WC, the sink, and rain shower. Let's check out the master bedroom. All right, a good space to put your king-size bed. You can put some cabinets here. And emphasize this again, nice view of Merdeka 118 TRX. You can see the 4 iconic towers of KL City Centre. Okay. And the toilets, of course, comes with your rain shower, bathtub, right, WC, and the sink. Alright guys, so that completes the tour for Verdura at Bangsar Hill Park. So if you like this video, please give me a like and do subscribe as well for more videos and any new properties and location tours as well. Kelvin here signing out. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, bye.